Hi friends, welcome to my channel Scientific Gurukul. So, in this chapter, we'll discuss about the base changing formula of this log. Because previously already have studied many of the example with the log mathematics. So, I hope you can understand those problems. So, in this chapter, we'll be studying about this base changing formula of this log, right? So, this is one of the most important concept in this log mathematics, this chapter, because and also it is mostly misunderstood and misconceptualized. So I have get the name from many of your friends that many of you that they are not able to understand this base changing formula. So this in this video I'll try to make you understand about the base changing formula of this log, right? So I hope you can understand it, and please don't try to comment in the comment section, because if you don't understand, if you don't make any comments, I don't understand, don't get to know that whether you understood or not. So suppose what is that? So suppose it is given uh, log log uh, log m with the base a, and if you want to change the base to b, this is the base. This is base of this log. This is the base. Simply this is the base of this log, and this is the m, which is the number of this log. This is the number of this log. Number, right? This is the number. So how we can read that number? Log m with the base a. So suppose this is written as a log m with the base a. If you really wanted to change the base to b, that means what will be the base? From changing base from a to b. So simply you can write it as a log b. So log m with the base b, right? So previously what is happening? What was the base? Previously what the base was a, so we are changing the base to b, divided by log this number, this base will come to the number of this log. That means this will be a, and the base will be the b. So log b divided by log m, that divided, that you have to make, and divided by log this log a with the base b, because this number, again I'm telling you, this base will come to that number, which is the number of this log, right? So if I take a numerical example of this, suppose it is given log 10 with the base 8. Suppose we have to change the base 8 to, suppose you have to change the base 8 to 5, right? You have to change the base 8 to 5. So simply you can write log 10 with the base 5, that's right. And again, what will the base? Base is the same, 5, and this base from the previous number will be the number of this log. That means log 8 with the base 5, right? So my next question is that, so just a minute. So my next will be that, suppose you take it as a log. Suppose you take log m with the base a multiply by okay, just a minute. So what I've studied from the previous chapter, whatever studied is that, whatever studied that if there is a log m with the base a, and you have to convert it, this base a to the b. So you can simply write log, so if it changes from this base a to log b, to b, so you can write b, and number the same, m divided by log, again base will be this is the base, new base will be, what is the new base? B, and this base of this previous number will be the number of this base, number of the log. So log B, log m with the base B and log a with the base B divided by. So we can conclude from there, if you take multiplication, if we want to take this log a with the base B from right side to left side, so simply you can multiply it with the left side. So you can write log m with the log a multiply by log b, log a with the base a b is equal to, it right hand side, what is it? Log m with the b. So you have to get the multiply this both of the number. So log m with the log a multiply by this number multiply with this number, left hand side number. So it is m with the base b, right? And suppose you want to take I want to give you a couple of new things, is that multiplication. Suppose we have given a number, it will be easier for you to understand, log 6 with the base 2. Suppose you want to convert it to this base 2 to 3. So simply you can write log 6, number is the same, only base is changing, log 3. So divided by log, again the base will be the same, 3, and this base will be the number, right? So simply from there we can conclude log 6 with the base 2 multiply by log 2 with the base 3 is equal to log 6 with the base 3, right? Right? I hope you can understand, because this number from right hand side to left hand side, you have to multiply. If you wanted to shift this number from right hand side to left hand side, you have to multiply it. So I hope you can understand. Now my next problem is that if it is given log b with the base a multiplied by log a with the base b is equal to 1, right? So suppose you take this number. So what is the number? Log b with the base a. Suppose you have to change base changing, you have to change the base of this a to b. So first simply you can write log b, because you have to changing the base from a to b, log b, base is b, the number is also same, number is the same b, divided by base will be the same, base will be b, and this number, previous number of this log will be the this base will be the number of this log. So b, so log a divided by log a with the base b. So what is happening, if the base and number is same of any number, so you can simply write so log, what is that, log b with the base a, right? Log b with the base a, just a minute. Suppose to delete it. Suppose we will delete it. So we have to delete this number. Log b with the base a. Log b with the base a is equal to, what is that? log b with the base b. If the base and number is same of any log any log, that will be the, so whatever you have studied already, you have studied from previous chapter, this will be 1, right? So why? Already you have studied it the previous in this previous chapter of the log, right? And 1 by log sorry, select object, you have to delete it again, I have to delete it. So we have to write log b, log a with the base b. That means we simply can write, that means what is happening from here, you can get the conclusion. If you really want to shift this number and base interchange, so simply you can reciprocate it. What is that? If there is a number of log b with the base a, if you want to change to log, if you want to change it to reciprocate it, if you want to change it to log a with the base b, that means base and numbers will be changing. So how? So simply, what is the number? If you have to change the number log a, log b with the base a, you will reciprocate it. So if you write a log b with the base a, simply write 1 by log a with the base b. Simply, if you reciprocate it, if you want to make this 1 by, if you want to make the reciprocation, it will be same, right? Again, if you take, I'm taking an example in numeric example, log, what is that? Log 2 with the base 3, you can write it as a 1 by log 3 with the base 2. Simply you can write it. So this is the all about this video. So I hope you can understand. If you have any problem, please try to make a comments in the comment section. But that's how I can help you out. Otherwise, it's not possible for you to get the feedback from you. So please try to make comments in the comment section, and that's all. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, because you understand that we have putting lots of efforts to getting those videos, right? So please try to make comments in the comment section. Thank you.